Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. This is just going to be a quick video today, just talking about the particular hair system that I have on at the moment. So this system was made by a company called LaVivid. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you will know that I have used them in the past, and I've always been very satisfied with their service. Their product is beautiful, and it was fitted by a company called Couture Hair Replacement in central London. A gentleman called AJ, who is a magician when it comes to hair. Honestly, unbelievable. Like, the best my hair has ever looked was when I went and had my hair done with him. This particular system is a custom made system, so it's been made exactly to the measurements of my patch on my head. So wherever I'm bald, they've taken the design for that and they've created a system out of that. And the base was a design of AJ's himself, and I can honestly say it is the best, most comfortable, durable system I've had. I've had it on for about 3 months now. Must be about 3 months, and there's been no shedding. There's been no shedding. The hair is still lovely. It's still soft. It has lost color slightly, but that is because when hair is processed, most of hair is from India. So to process it to the correct color for my color, because I've got a dark blonde hair, they have to bleach it. And so normally when you bleach hair, you bleach it to a bit lighter than what you need it for. So what happens is, after time of washing and being in the sun, the colour that they tone it to be your right colour will eventually come out. So then it becomes a lighter colour, but it's gone quite blonde, and I actually really like it. This one was made with natural highlights in it. They were very subtle, but they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love it, I really do. So yeah, I rave about that. I think if you are going to have a system, I would say to have a custom made system, because stock systems, they're great, of course they are, but like, it has to be cut to the right shape, and them cut lines they're a weakness within the system. So if it's lace and it's cut to that certain shape, obviously you're going to fray the lace, which means any hair attached to the lace is going to get looser and come off. So it can lead to excess shedding. So what this is, when they have it made specially for you, it is made exactly to the right size. So there's no cutting and there's no fraying of anything. So it is just one solid piece, which is, it's almost like hemmed around the edge. It's so well done. It's so nicely done. And mine has, it's a shame I couldn't show you it before I had it put on, but it's even got my name printed on the back, obviously underneath where you can't see it. So that was a really nice touch. So just a little update on products that I've used as well. I tried a few different products when it comes to styling my hair, because I obviously have this kind of updo spiky number. I used to use a lot of hairspray, but I found that it made the hair quite dusty looking, and it was a lot of product build-up because I only wash it once a week. So that stuff was I was just putting product on product on product, and it ended up looking like I had a head full of dandruff. It was not good. So what I did is I bought a new product after being recommended by AJ, and it is called Osmo Extreme Gel Spray. I'll just put that up so you can see it. And it is so good. Like, your hair stays where it's supposed to. It gives it the hardness of hairspray, but it doesn't have the same kind of powdering and dusting after a few days. So I rave about that. I would definitely recommend getting it and giving it a try. I think I paid £6.50 on eBay for this. So it's really not that expensive, and it works. So I would suggest doing that. What I also do though is I do put a little bit of wax in my hair first before I use that, just because that gives it a bit of shape. This is more of a setting in my opinion. I might be wrong, please do tell me if I am, but this is, to me, is more of a setting spray, so it kind of keeps it stiff where it is supposed to be, but the wax to begin with gives it a bit more fluidity, and yeah, I really like it. When it comes to washing and conditioning my hair, I'm still using the silicone mix bamboo, which I showed you in one of my previous videos. And yes, I would recommend using that. It does work. However, I have found another product. I don't actually have it with me at the moment. I only got a travel size for now, but I'm going to buy the big bottle. It's called Joyco Moisture Recovery. Oh my word, like, them flocks are flopping about afterwards. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. But yeah, check out LaVivid's website. Contact them. I would say try getting a custom system made. Just try it. If you're used to buying normal systems, the stock systems, you know, just treat yourself once to it. Just once. Give them the measurements, or go to a clinic and they can take your mold for you and they can order it through them. But I would definitely recommend going to Couture Hair Replacement. Go there. AJ's a lovely guy. So much fun. I did a bit of modelling for him, and it is just absolutely, he's great fun to be around. So I would 100% recommend that you do give his service a go, and very reasonable prices as well. I believe his website is couturehairreplacement.com. I don't know that for sure, so don't quote me on that, but I'll link it to I'll link it to this video. If I could talk, it'd be great, wouldn't it? I'll link it to this video and give him a little look. Honestly, it will be absolutely worth it. But again, this is just a quick video, so any questions you might have with regards hair systems, please do contact me. I'm more than happy to help with anything. This is what my hair looks like 3 months after him doing it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've obviously had my hair cut in that time, just around the sides, because everyone needs a fresh fade, don't we? We need a fresh fade. So yeah, any questions, give me a shout. Have a great day or afternoon or morning or whatever the hell time it is. Take care. Bye-bye.